Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Halloween bride filter on Snapchat, and then from there you can go ahead and post it onto TikTok or Instagram or any other social media platform. Very, very easy to do. I just have a link in the description as well as in the comment section down below, and it'll bring you over to this website right here. It's just a link on Snapchat. You want to click on open in Snapchat, and then I'll open. And here it's going to unlock the lens for you, so you just want to click on unlock. And then if you just switch over the cameras, you then see the filter will then go on. Really, really cool and easy to do. And all you have to do now is just simply take a picture or record a video. And then you just want to save that video to your camera roll. And then you can take that from there, exit out of here, and you can go over to any social media platform. So let's just say TikTok. Open up your TikTok. And then you can just go ahead and post it like you normally would with any camera roll video. And then you're able to get it on any social media, just like this. Really easy to do. And then you can go ahead and post it. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get this filter. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.